Now let's talk about how you can turn on notifications for your YouTube on the iPad. Now it is pretty simple. Naturally, I assume that you have the official YouTube app downloaded on your iPad, as it's kind of necessary to have this, right? So once you do, then you just need to open up the settings app on your iPad, and in the left panel, directly at the bottom, you have the apps section. In the older versions of the iPad OS, it started to list out all of the individual apps. So either find YouTube in here or click on apps and then a search for YouTube from the list of the apps, right? And once you do get in here, you're going to be able to see all of the settings about it, right? So you can see like the search, live activities, background app refresh, but also one of them is called notifications. So you just need to allow it. And once you enable it, once you toggle it on, this is where more options come into place, right? So you can just enable the time sensitive as well, or just remove them from the lock screen or as banners. Choose how you want to use them. Choose if you want to get the sounds as well, the previews, grouping, and that's kind of how it works. But also at the bottom, you also have the link to open up the YouTube official app, and in there manage what exactly the type of settings is supposed to be delivered, right? So you have the iOS or iPad OS settings, and you also have the YouTube settings. So here we turn on the notifications, but when I click on this link right here, it goes directly to the notifications page on YouTube, and here you can choose very specifically, like, do you want to be notified about the subscriptions and channel settings, and you can see like the activity on my channel or post suggestions and a lot of stuff which you can be like notified about. So make sure to set it up the way that you prefer it. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.